be someone else. All we want is please. Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity.
What up everybody, it's your girl Mini Moths with another video planned for you guys this week. And as you probably saw from the beginning clip, I felt a little bit bright, a little bit like playing with colour today. So without further ado, we'll just jump straight into the eye makeup. I probably will be putting my hair up as well with this. Yeah, actually. I'm just going to start by applying some eye primer. So I'm just going to go in with the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White. And I'm just going to apply that to my lids just using my fingers. When I've done that, I'm going to jump in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to jump in with this shade of white just here, just to set that primer using a clean fluffy blending brush. Once I've done that, just going in with the same palette, I'm going to be grabbing this light pink shade just here, just as a transition shade, using that same brush. Once that's done, just jumping in with this slightly darker shade here, I'm just going to apply that again just to the crease of my eyes. When I've finished that, I'm going to go in with this shade of pink here. Last shade of pink, I promise. Again, just applying that into my crease.
Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for.
Once that is done, just going in with the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I am just going to jump in with Jilted, which is the shade here. And I'm just going to apply that using a clean, slightly firmer blending brush just into the crease, leaving a little bit of that pink visible. Going in with that same brush, I'm going to grab Urban, which is this dark purple here. Again, just pretty much doing exactly what we just did with Jilted, leaving a little bit of both the pink and Jilted visible. Also bring this down onto the outer corner and the inner corner, leaving out the very inner tear duct here.
If you let me walk away, maybe then we'd lose it all. No.
Just going in with that same blending brush from before, I'm just going to blend that purple out a little bit.
Who am I to let you?
Jumping back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm just going to grab that last pink shade that we used just to try and clean that up a little bit. Then just going in with the NYX eyeshadow base again in the shade White, I'm just going to cut out the center of my lid using that and just an angled brush. Once I am finished that, I'm just going to jump in with this No Name palette, 180 colors, and I'm just going to jump in with this turquoise shade just here, and just where we cut out that halo eye, I'm just going to apply that using that same angled brush. I just realized I wasn't explaining what I was doing. I'm taking some more Urban, and I'm just going back and forth trying to blend that in a little bit more seamlessly. When I've done that, using the same brush, I'm going to go in with the BYS Glitter Fix Primer, and just in the very center of that turquoise, I'm going to apply that there. Then just going in with the Napoleon Purtis Loose Eye Dust Disco Glitter, I'm going to apply that over the top of where we just applied the glitter primer. Actually coming together pretty nicely, which I'm happy about. When that is finished, I'm just going to go in with my highlighter palette. I'm going to grab the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette, and I'm just going to go in with this shade here. Using that same angled brush, I'm just going to apply that into my inner corners. Then just lining my eyes with the Made You Look Night Owl Precision Eyeliner in the shade Haunted. Then just apply a single coat of eyeliner and then go in with false eyelashes. Then just jumping in with the Jade Lashes by Huda Beauty and the BYS Eyelash Adhesive in the shade Clear as well. Once I've done that, I'm going to jump away real quick and I'll just do my face makeup and my eyebrows, and I will come back for my contour, blush and highlight and all of that good stuff. So I will see you guys in a sec. I'm back, and as you can see, everything is now on. So I'm just going to jump into my eyelashes, my eyes, my under eyes, my lower lash line. My goodness, today is just so I don't actually have like a blue liner or a green liner or anything like that. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX white eyeshadow base and a little bit of that same turquoise color that I placed on my center lids, and I'm going to create a liner out of them. So this color here, and I'm just going to apply that to my lower waterline. Next, I'm just going to go in with the Urban Decay Electric palette again, and grabbing Urban, I'm going to apply that to the lash line, as close to the lashes as possible, but we are going to smoke it out.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him.
I'm actually just going to smoke it out just with this fluffy blending brush from before, just utilizing whatever pigment is left on it from before as well. Then I'm just going to go in with mascara on my lower lash lines. I'm just going to grab the Extra Pop Lash by Rimmel London, and this is in the shade Pop Purple. Once that's done, I'm just going to go in with contour, and I'm just going to grab the Cocoa Contour by Too Faced Chisel to Perfection palette, and just grabbing this, I think it's an e.l.f. brush, I'm just going to go in with the dark cocoa here, and I'm just going to use that to warm up my cheeks and just around my forehead as well. Then just grabbing the brush that comes with the palette, I'm just going to jump in with the medium cocoa, which is this shade here. And I'm just going to contour my cheeks, my nose, and my jawline. After that, just jumping in with blush, I'm just going to grab the new Blush 10 Color Blush Palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to jump straight in with this shade here, and probably like a mixture between those two here and here, just because I don't want it to be too loud, just because the eyes are already very bright. So I just want like a subtle there but not there color. Then just going in with highlight, I'm just going to grab this Sleek Makeup Cosmetics highlighting palette and just using those bottom two shades here and here. And a fan brush, I'm just going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, above my eyebrow, and then just using a precision brush, just my brow bone as well. Just grabbing this brush, I'm going to highlight my brow bone and just put a little bit more on the other corner. once that's done, just going in with my lips, and I'm just going to grab the BYS Glitter Lip Gloss Intense Shine in the shade Satin, which is this one here, and I'm just going to apply that to my lips like usual. And there you have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed it and you want to see more content like this, then be sure to subscribe, as I upload every Monday. I love you all so much, and this is Video 6.